back to Master Boys. My name is Akhil. Our last video was DLS 20 and we couldn't upload any more videos due to lockdown and coronavirus. Today our video is about Teams. It's an online learning. So some of them have know what is Teams and how to use, but some of them don't know. So today I am going to teach how to use Teams. So go to App Store. Who all haven't downloaded, go to App Store and type Teams. Okay, I'll tell step by step. Go to Teams. If you have any online class, so they'll give first of all, teacher will give you one timetable. They'll send it. In that timetable, you should follow each of the period. So, for example, your first period is physics. So, I'll tell how to you take physics class. Go to Teams, not this Teams. Press 11 hidden channels and go to physics. There will be one join meeting. So press join, and then they'll show pick once in circle, and they'll tell join. Then press once again join, and they'll tell connecting. Then you can attend the class. It's very easy. And for example, your second period is chemistry. Go to chemistry. There will be join. Press join, and our photo will be there. Then press again there join, and you can attend the class. It's very easy. And activity. In this, for example, your teacher told you to do one assignment. So she'll tell it will be uploaded in the activity. So there will be one mail will come. Message, anything will come telling that a 7 assignment mentioned in your class name, and we should go there. Press this. This is my current assignment. They'll tell view assignment. So press this. And decimal assignment. These are the questions. So I am from our own. So I use GEMS portal to log in and to take my homeworks and lessons also. So when I go to GEMS portal, they'll tell Phoenix something. I'll go open there. Grade 7, I'll press, then lessons. Then there will be scanned copies of every lesson. I take that. I'll download in the files. Then I'll press this thing, and I'll go to files, and I'll go to download. Okay, I'll show you. Go to my files, download what in GEMS portal. Voila, in our own. Listen, in GEMS portal lessons, when you press, for example, in math, any lesson will be there. When you press that, they'll tell download. So press download, and when we go to files, press here also, there will be downloads. And for example, I'm taking maths, so decimal. Just once, okay. See, chapter 3 decimals. You can get your whole textbook. This chapter whole copy scanned, and you can do your homework. It's like that. When you minimize, for example, when you're writing, just go through the questions, and when you come in files, just once, and for example, you got this is my homework, for example. So again, go to Teams, MCQ. Okay, MCQ, page 45, MCQ. So wait, MCQ is very far. Okay, yeah, I got MCQ. So in that, you can minimize this, and you can go to assignment. These are your question 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's very easy, really. And okay, I want to tell you one more thing. See, when you are in a class, when your class teacher shares one PPT, and if you cannot see that PPT, just log out and log in again. Then you can able to see the PPT again. Okay, these are my assignments. Now I want to tell you one more thing. Not one more thing, there are many. So go to assignments. If you see in activity, I want to tell you one thing. In activity, this message was deleted. Okay, it was before. This message was deleted. When you go to this message, see unsupported card. So in that it means it won't come. So another way is there. Go to assignment 7B OOB. Next, there will be assigned. When you go to assigned, as you guys have seen, the message was deleted. You can get here what all message were deleted. You can get it here, and you can what all homeworks you have completed. It will be, see, these are the homework which I completed, this much. And I want to tell one more thing. See, if your teacher tell to upload in assignments, I'll tell you one way. Not one way, this is the correct way. I'll tell you. For example, go to decimal assignment 6. It will take some time because the network is slow. It's coming. Okay, as I told, go to decimal assignment 6 or any homework which have been completed, which are being assigned, go to there, and I have already, there will be add work. Okay, I'll show you one more of this I completed. This I didn't complete, I have to do. As I told, it will take little time. Okay, it's very easy. I opened the files and I showed the lessons. After writing these homeworks in your notebook, go to add work. It's loading. Okay, it will come. Okay, let me try it again. Some network issues. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I will straight away tell you. It won't come maybe. If it's coming, let me see. I'll straight away tell you how to do it. As you guys have seen, add work, which I have just pressed before. Again I'll go. Okay, I'll press this again. Okay, I'll tell. As we are going to add work, first press add work. In one plus sign, they'll show to press add work. They'll show OneDrive files. We should not press. They'll tell upload from this device. Upload from this device. Press that and go. You have taken many screenshot. Whatever you have did your homework. So the what all you wrote in your homework. Press that screenshot and go to press that, and it will tell uploading, and you should wait until it upload. Okay, wait. Okay, I'll open activity. This will come very fast. Okay. Okay, it's coming. So I think so network issues. That's why it's coming very slowly. Okay. As I told, go to add work. In that add work, they'll tell upload from this device. Okay. First, after pressing upload from this device, 1 minute. Okay. Let me tell until it comes. Upload from this device. Go there, and for example, you have science assignment. Okay, science or physics assignment. What you have taken any physics assignment screenshot, it's needed for tomorrow. When you take a screenshot of your physics assignment, for example, go to upload from this device. They'll show the physics assignment in 1.96 something, any GB they'll show. Press that and it will tell uploading. After it will take time little, but no problem. For me also it happened. Then I mailed to my teacher. Then I tried again. After mailing my teacher, she told me to try. Just because of this, I got. Okay, let it come like that. So after mailing, she on the day after that, she told me to upload from assignments. Then I tried. Then it came. After uploading, they'll tell uploading. Then press done. Down in the bottom, they'll be done. Press done, and there in the side of that there will be hand in. Press hand in, and your assignment will be straight away sent to your teacher. Do not press undo hand in. When we press hand in, it will tell undo hand in. Do not press that. If you press that, it will go again. So just press hand in, and you can leave and sit there. And again, and go to Teams, General, Files. Okay, Files, nothing more. When we go to Class Notebook, okay, I have downloaded that thing. I'll show you from there also. Okay, and that app is called OneNote. See, when your teacher says like we should download OneNote, and doing that, download straight away OneNote. And after downloading the OneNote, first sign in your account. You should first sign in your account. I have signed in my account. And these are my folders. When I go to 7B, if you want to write anything, you should not go to any subjects. Our name will be written. For example, any name will be written. In that, there will be class note, handouts, homework, and quizzes. Or you can go to class notes or handouts. There will be utilted page. Go in there, and you can type whatever you want to insert to your teacher. Then your teacher will get that as a presentation or anything. Okay, welcome collaboration space. These subjects are there. Then content library, using the something, it's not shown full. Okay, our name will be written down. Class notes, handouts, homework, quizzes. You can go to handouts. There will be also this type unit tilt page. Even in this also there will be unit tilted page. And in this, I have one homework I did. I'm sitting here enjoying my weekend. Like that, I'm enjoying. Now we'll go back to Teams. No need of this. Okay. Files. Okay. This is my notebook. As you guys have seen now, no OneNote. Yeah. Yes. What I've written is there. When we press 7B modified, press that if it's compulsory, and you can see what you have written. Not what you have written, it will show something different. But go what you have written and press that. You can see what you can see. You can underline and do everything. It's like Word and PowerPoint only. Yeah. Calendar. Okay. In this also it's same like Teams. As I told, 11 hidden channels. For example, first period is biology. Everybody's attending in that 11 hidden channels. Everybody will be attending in this, because in calendar nothing join won't come. First, when this, for example, hidden channels, physics, when join will come, as I told from the beginning, when join will come, and then here also join will come. So first, don't go to calendar, go to Teams, 11 hidden channels, and take your subject, which is your first period. Go there. When you open calendar first, there won't be nothing. It should be blue color. This is not that. Inside should be blue. Then you can join. But when we go here, when our period, when there will be break something, after break you can attend. Okay, this much only. It's nothing. Then Then one more thing, who all don't know how to use OneNote, download OneNote, sign in your account, then use this. Use your collaboration space. As I told, home. There will be some pages like blank page. You can write anything. If you want to send to your teacher, press insert and there will be wait 1 minute. Okay, I think so. Share page. I'm not PDF and my drive. You should go to my drive and wait. Let me check that. Okay, my drive. 1 minute. No need. I'll do that. No need of that. Leave. Okay, let me explain the rest of the things. There will be also Zoom. That's no use. That's if important meetings. It's for meeting. This is for online classes. So students or everyone use Teams. If you don't know Teams how to use, just see this video. You can learn how to use Teams. Who all don't know. Let me try again for that assignment. I didn't. You guys may see what to do. Okay, it came. Yes. Go ahead work. As I told, upload from this device. Yeah. So for this is your homework. Okay. Press this and it will be for example. Wait, I'll just give it now. Okay. Cancel. Okay. I simply cancel because it's not compulsory. I simply did. I already submitted. It's no need of that. If you have did any homework, which is the latest homework which you have did, it will come like a screenshot what you have taken. Press that and you can go and it will tell uploading. After uploading, it will tell done and go there. Press that and one main thing. Okay, after uploading, okay, I'll tell you guys a scene. After uploading, they'll tell hand in. So guys, this is the main thing what we should do. After uploading, it's not just uploading. There's one more thing. Press hand in. I'm not doing now because I didn't submit. Press hand in and it will tell undo hand in. Do not press undo hand in. Okay, you should just when it's undo hand in, go back. Then this assignment has been sent. When it's undo hand in, okay, when it comes that, go to your completed what you have did. It will come like this decimal assignment 7 tick mark. That it means that which you have handed to your teacher and you have completed. And this is about Teams. It's this much. It's very simple. This I am taking this video because some of them don't know that much to use Teams. So I'm telling how to use Teams this much. And so subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to watch more videos. Bye.